Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It is a super exciting day because today I received my first mystery box food challenge box. Too much box in there. My first food challenge mystery box. If you didn't see my video before this or you didn't check it out on Lacey's page, Lacey Mical Walker and I are doing a food mystery box challenge. And what it means is that we have each picked 4 different ingredients to ship to the other person. And that person has to use each of those ingredients in one of 4 dishes. So we each have to make an entree, 2 sides, and a dessert. And we have the ingredients within this box to use along with whatever is in our fridge and pantry. Eek. But we get the opportunity to win up to 3 additional ingredients, and I'm really hoping for that. Anyway, I have my box here. Lacey already received hers. If you haven't checked out Lacey Mical Walker's page, I will link it below. You're going to see on her page what I sent her and then see what she comes up with to cook. Make sure that you subscribe to both of our pages to follow along and see how this challenge unfolds. What is in this mystery box? As soon as I picked it up, I could hear things moving around. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, but I feel like I should. I don't know, maybe some rice or some sort of like heavier seasoning. Let's find out what it is. Or not. Lacey is an amazing cook and baker. She has some things on her YouTube already, but also check out her Instagram. It's pretty impressive. I don't get packages here a lot. The moment of truth. Whack-a-pack balloons. Smack the pack, watch and wait, see the surprise. Am I supposed to do that right now, or is it something I'm supposed to include in the meal? We'll find out. This is hilarious, and I don't really want to say why. Well, a couple of different things. One, I have been known in my life to say I don't like mushrooms. These are dried oyster mushrooms. Lacey has this theory about, kind of training yourself to like foods that you don't necessarily like. And I think it's an interesting theory. I'll just say that Lacey and I did not discuss at all, like, what we were sending to each other at all. We didn't discuss it. In fact, like, I kind of went into a panic about things getting delayed and shipment-wise based on what I was sending her. And so this in general is kind of funny. And if you watch this video and Lacey's video, I think you will kind of get the full circle reason behind that. What's next? Smoked paprika. Okay. This is interesting to me because I do have a little bit of smoked paprika and then I have regular paprika. And the thing about paprika to me is that there's not a lot of flavor there to me. And I have not used smoked paprika in any of my cooking. Actually, I'm just gonna open it right now and see. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, that smoked paprika is apparently very smoky. Maybe I'm thinking maybe entree? Maybe like poultry of some kind? I don't know. Okay, it says hot. I'm getting an entree feel to this, like that I could almost design something, based on this, but who knows, maybe it'll change my mind. Couscous. I almost sent Lacey couscous, so that's fun. So this is what I heard shaking around in there. I really like couscous. I've actually never had Israeli couscous before. I think this is a little bit bigger pearls than the couscous that I've eaten. And now I'm like would I want like a smoked paprika couscous, but really these are supposed to be like featured in individual dishes. Not that I couldn't use any of them together. I'm like, I could make a mushroom smoked paprika couscous and call it good. I can work with this though. Okay, last thing. What is this? Oh, okay. I pulled it out of the box and rhododendron honey. Raw rhododendron honey. How do you say R-H-O? Rhododendron. I said it right. Rhododendron honey. I don't know what rhododendron is, so I'm actually gonna have to look that up. Honey in general is my jam. We have actually talked about starting to raise bees here on the farm, and I don't think that's gonna be a 2021 plan, but it is on our tentative plan for 2022. And so working with honey and different types of honey is, you know, interesting to me. I think I'm definitely gonna be leaning dessert dish for the honey. And I just say that because I'm having a hard time. I don't think I could do a dessert with the mushrooms. I definitely could do something with this smoked paprika, like a smoked dessert of some sort, but it's not like processing in my mind. Okay, I have my ingredients. I'm gonna go outside, have Paul pick a number. Let's go see what he picks. Hey, Paul. I got a job for you. Can you do me a favor? I have these 3 numbers. I don't know which they are. Hold on. Okay, Paul, which number looks good to you? Okay, great. Let me see. No, wait. No. I need it. Thanks. Whew, okay. Scared me, buddy. I just needed your help. I didn't need you to eat them. I knew better. 1. Paul. I needed 3. Aww. All right. 1 it is. Okay, I'm back inside. I've got dried mushrooms, smoked paprika, the rhododendron honey, and Israeli couscous, which means this is for fun. What is it gonna do? I don't understand. What is it? Is that it? It says I'm gonna have a surprise. I got my surprise. That was terrifying. Thanks, Lacey. So that's it. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna make. I gotta head to the store, and then I gotta get back here and get to cooking. What 4 dishes would you make if you got these ingredients in your box? Comment below with what you would make. Don't forget to subscribe to the Little Z Farm channel and to Lacey Mical Walker so you don't miss a video in the series. I can't wait to see what Lacey comes up with, and I am a little nervous about what I'm going to come up with, but it should be good. Thanks for watching, and we will see you back here next time.